Hello, this is Shushmita Banerjee. I am a Kathak guru, exponent, and choreographer. Today, I am going to talk to you about small things. Sometimes the small things in life are so well connected with the bigger picture that these innumerable small incidents, experiences, and episodes make a story. Being a Kathakar, I'm always interested in these small stories. Now you would think that what am I talking about? I'm talking about Tukra in Kathak. You see, even when you go for food, there are many kinds of dishes. You must have heard of Shahi Tukra. So, see, this Tukra word comes in not only in dance but also in food. So, what is Tukra? Tukra is a small composition or compositions from tabla or pakhavaj. It is actually a self-contained and complete composition. It could also be a part of the whole composition. And this is normally performed with our body, that is the feet, the upper torso, hand and the eyes. Usually, Tukra is completed in one avartan or one cycle of 16. But sometimes it could go a little beyond. And that is how we have the Chakradar Tukras. And Kathak has many rich Tukras which we perform. Now, there are different kinds of Tukras. Let us concentrate on this today. And the first Tukra that comes to my mind is Salami ka Tukra. Salami is equivalent to Pranam or Namaskar. During the Hindu period, we did Namaskar or Pranam. And with the coming of the Mughals, Salami was added, Salam or Naman. There is the second kind of Tukra which is called Natwari Tukra. Natwari Tukra comes from the word Natwar, that means Lord Krishna. And the bowls used here are Kran and Tram. Again I repeat, Kran and Tram. The third kind of Tukra is Tatkar ka Tukra. In this the syllables that are used are Tatiti-tat or Tigda-digdi. Sometimes it could be both also, because I have learnt a few things between Tatiti-tat and also Tigda-digdi. So, the moment you hear this, you know it is a Tatkar ka Tukra. The other one is the Sangeet ka Tukra. In these compositions, you will have the predominance of Thum, Loom, mainly Thum, Loom. And the last one is Paremlu ka Tukra. Paremlu, of course, as I have also spoken about Paremlu in one of my previous sessions. Paremlu uses different kinds of sounds from nature and the words like kuku, thari, jhanak, all these words, all these different rich sounds make a complete image. Like it's almost onomatopoeic, where the sound itself gives you the visual. So these are the various Tukras that are there in Kathak, and I will show you two kinds of Tukras. One is of course a normal Tukra from tabla, and the other one is Salami ka Tukra. Back to the studio, and today I am going to show you two Tukras. One is Salami ka Tukra and the second one is a Tukra which is of course from the tabla. So let's get going. Salami ka Tukra. back. We are on our 16th episode, and please help the channel to grow. And as the channel grows, you grow. You grow by knowing many things, the various facets of Kathak. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, share and comment. Stay healthy, happy and safe.